Navigator T555 4-berth is great for the family or even a couple who just require a little more space and storage. It sleeps 4 people comfortably, which is impressive given its size. Built on a Toyota Hiace super long wheelbase and with automatic transmission, the Kia Navigator is a breeze to drive and set up anywhere you want to go. Once inside the Kia Navigator, you'll find that there's plenty of storage space and a large drop-down table for 4 people to comfortably sit around and share a meal. The ample kitchen space and prepping area includes a Dometic 2-burner stovetop and integrated Nero microwave. The Engel fridge is large enough to hold supplies for a number of days on the road. The point of difference in the Navigator is its 4 berths. The Mini Luton Peak over the cab includes a double bed arrangement or storage space. And there's a drop-down bed towards the rear of the vehicle as well. There's also a cute little bench seat in the boot so you can open the van door and sit and contemplate your natural surroundings. House stereo is in easy access to the dining area, while the USB charging points are within reach as well. All Kia models are ex-rentals and are built to last. They come refurbished once they come off the rental fleet. So if you're looking for a motorhome with plenty of storage space and that is easy to drive, the Kia Navigator is a great choice.